Let me show you how you can make this simple yet delicious melt in the mouth marble cake. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this cake. So in a bowl you're going to add in some sugar and butter. I'll leave the full ingredient list of everything I use in the description box for you to check out. We're going to mix this together with a hand mixer, but you can also use a whisk. It will just require more strength and time. So we're going to mix this until the color changes from that light yellow color to this light cream color, and then we're going to go in with the eggs one at a time because we want it to incorporate well into the batter. So in this recipe I'm using 3 very large eggs, but if your eggs are on the smaller size you want to use 4. Okay, so the eggs are well incorporated into the batter now. We're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl and go in with the vanilla flavor and mix this together. Okay, at this point we're going to be going in with our milk. Now it is important to note that the milk, the eggs and the butter should be at room temperature. This will enable them to combine better and trap more air, thus giving your cake that lighter and fluffier texture. Okay, so we're going to mix this together, but be careful not to overmix it or you'll end up with a tough and chewy cake. So just mix it together until it is properly combined. So we're going to take out 1/3 of the butter and add in our cocoa powder to it and mix this together. Okay, so at this point you want to make sure you've turned on your oven so it's preheating and ready for baking. Okay, so at this point we're going to bring out our baking pan that we've already prepared by going over with a coating of butter and then placing in our parchment paper. So now we're going to go in with the batter, alternating the batters just as shown in the video until we've totally exhausted all the batter. Okay, so we've exhausted the batter. We're going to give the pan a little shake and go in with a toothpick or a skewer. I'm using a skewer, and just give the cake some beautiful lines. So if you've watched up until this point, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. So this is what our cake is looking like. We're going to go ahead to bake this now. So our cake is out of the oven now. Smells so delicious, and look at the design on the cake, so beautiful. We're going to allow this to rest in the pan for about 5 minutes so it's easier to take out, and after 5 minutes we're going to take this out and allow the cake to rest for another 20 minutes so it's cooled down a little bit. Then we are going to cut into the cake. And guys, look at the design on this cake. I do hope you try this recipe out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Until I come your way again with another wonderful recipe.